Starting from 20th Feb 2023, Instarem Amaze will charge a $2 processing fee, minimum 50 cents, if you use your Link credit card to top up to other prepaid wallets or e-wallet apps. This will include trading platforms, crypto platforms, and even EZ-Link wallets and Grabpay wallet top-ups in Singapore dollars. And some of you may be quite worried because will this impact your Instarem Amaze single card strategy when you spend it? And this is evidently seen as all these questions are posted in my Telegram group, which you can join right here because we have so many gurus and experts helping you out on this card strategies question. Now, to be super clear, Instarem Amaze even published this list where it will show you where they will charge 2% processing fees. Examples like Grabpay wallets and EZ-Link wallets are not able to run away from it. You see, the thing about this news is that there are no fees on your transactions if it is made in foreign denominated currencies, or if that funding source is coming from your Amaze wallet. So they are trying to clamp down on this kind of gaming mechanism whereby you're trying to top up other Singapore dollars denominated e-wallets. So they are also trying to push their own Amaze wallet for you to use it instead of using their competitors' wallets, right? Now, if you have not heard of the Amaze wallet, let's do a little recap here. So Amaze wallet is a prepaid wallet where you can top up using your Link credit card. But of course, you do not get any points for topping up Amaze wallet because it's a common exclusion like digital and e-wallets, prepaid cards, all these kind of categories spent. The other way to top up your Amaze wallet is to redeem Instapoints because you can get Instapoints for referring your friends to join Instarem Amaze, or you can earn Instapoints when you make a foreign currency spend on your Instarem Amaze card because remember, you get 1% foreign currency cashback when you make an overseas spend with Instarem Amaze. So the good news here is you can still cash out your Instapoints if your purpose is to transfer it to the Amaze wallet and then use the Amaze wallet to top up to your Grabpay wallet so that you can pay now it back to your bank account. So this method is still intact and it's not nerfed yet. But you know what may be nerfed really soon? These are good rewards opportunities, and one such example is coming from my sponsor. I told you all right, good opportunities don't last forever because the previous $150 promo for Weibo has been gone. So now don't miss the current Weibo offer because they are giving you 5 free stocks that are worth up to $500 when you place any amount of deposit and hold your funds for at least 30 days. Now you will get 5 lucky draw spin chances and you get from $10 to $100 per spin of fractional stocks from companies like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and Google. So with 5 lucky draw spins, you can get up to $500 worth of fractional shares if you are that lucky enough. To be super clear, there is no more complicated requirements like buying some US stock or mutual funds or that kind of thing. To add on, Weibo has finally launched their short option feature, which means that you can now do sell option strategy like cash secured puts or covered call or even iron condor option trading strategies if you are that experienced in options. So hurry up and click on my referral link down below or scan the QR code right here to get your Weibo account today. So having said all that, you may have the question, why is Instarem Amaze introducing this change? Now, from my very silly assumption, I guess that Instarem Amaze is incurring huge transaction fees when users use it to top up their Grabpay wallets or their EZ-Link wallets and use it to gamify the system. So Instarem probably didn't earn much since it is not a retail transaction but an e-wallet or prepaid card transaction. So those fees are much lesser and they want to get the consumer spend data on their own Amaze wallet instead of just being a pass-through to other e-wallets apps like Grabpay or EZ-Link wallet. But you see, now they are throwing in something sweet till the end of the month because you do get 2x Instapoints until 28 Feb 2023. Because previously you are earning 1% cashback on your foreign currency spend, right? Right now you earn 2% cashback in terms of Instapoints when you make the same $1 spend. Do remember that this has to be minimum $10 in value and not in the exclusion list of Amaze. And this time, the very stringent requirement is that it must be funded by Amaze wallet. And like I said, how to top up your Amaze wallet is either you top it up with your Link credit card to the Amaze wallet or you redeem Instapoints, which will top up your Instarem Amaze wallet as well. So those people who are asking whether you use your normal Link credit card and use your Instarem Amaze, you will not get that 2% Instapoints cashback. You only get that 1%. Okay, so in order to get that 2%, you need to fund your Amaze wallet and use that Amaze wallet to link to your Amaze card. Do note that this cashback is still subjected to that $500 per transaction. That is the cap where you can earn that Instagram points cashback. But I will say, don't bother with this promotion because you're going to fund it with the Amaze wallet. And you know that topping up your Amaze wallet has no real benefits. You don't get any cashback. You don't get any miles for topping up your Amaze wallet from your Link credit card. So why not just link your credit card and you earn that 4 miles per dollar plus that 1% Instapoints, rather than you get 2% Instapoints and 0 miles or cashback. For example, you're giving out 4 miles per dollar on your City Rewards if you choose the Amaze wallet. So it's 4 miles per dollar versus an additional 1% cashback. I think it's a no-brainer to choose that 4 miles per dollar, right? Now, unless you want a pure 2% cashback with low foreign currency fees, then you top it up to the Amaze wallet But there's so much better alternatives like Trip, like Trust, all these competitors which has much lower FX spread than Instagram Amaze. So why don't you use them instead of using that Amaze wallet link to Amaze card? Now, even if you are a pure cashback person, do you know that you can get a net 2.2% cashback if you link your City Rewards with the Instagram Amaze? And if you're redeeming City points for shopping mall vouchers, it can be as high as 3.5%. So I think don't bother with this 1% additional promotion cashback. And the good news is, business is as usual. You can continue to use your Instagram card paired with MasterCards like City Rewards for now. At least you can still use it until the sun sets, right? Make hay while the sun shines. But you see, the Instagram Amaze card is not perfect. And I'll share with you in this video why I think it's not perfect. Because there are some spend categories where Instagram Amaze will not be able to cover it. And I'll discuss more right here.